Guys, Lily, say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up.
Hey, Mommy. I want to try our new popcorn.
You want to try popcorn?
Uh-huh. We have a new kind that we never bought before, and I want to try it.
You want to try it? Well, we're going to try that popcorn, don't you worry, Lily. Now, something weird happening is I wear my sunglasses at the pool, and you see this like, different color to my face. Oh, it's so crazy.
I got tan all over me, and then when I took off my bathing suit, I had tan all over me, except the part where I had my bathing suit. Everywhere else was a tan. This time I had brown, but everywhere was...
Kind of how I am. See, like, this is white.
Yeah,
just like
that's all mine.
It's crazy.
Hippo! Hippo! Don't worry, it's a TV show. Oh, don't worry.
It's fine. It's just a TV show, you guys. There's not a real hippo in our house.
I want to show you my little dolly, baby.
But, yeah, so my suntan thing is not even at all. We've done so much today. Let me see.
Here's my baby.
It's a baby. I'm so tired. At least I don't have the hiccups. But, by the way, that hiccups video has like a ton of views and it's still growing and I don't understand why. So let me know in the comments below, why do hiccup videos get views?
Oh, I wanted to tell you.
Yes.
Anybody who watches this video, don't watch. If you want to see any animals singing, doing like different sounds and their natural sounds, go to my channel, and then look down where you can see like animals and stuff. Then click on that. Then you will see animals singing, jumping, and doing stuff.
That's awesome. They're going to go check that out, okay?
Okay.
Bye, you guys.
Promise.
Pinky promise. Boop. Bye.